G7 leaders have officially activated the Partnership for Global Infrastructure and Investment (PGII) in Tokyo. This massive initiative provides a transparent, multi-billion-dollar alternative to China's Belt and Road. The plan focuses on high-quality, sustainable projects in developing nations, aiming to reshape global trade routes and strengthen economic security across Asia and Africa. In a landmark move for climate science, the Arctic Council has fully resumed official meetings with all 8 member states, including Russia. After a years-long pause, the Council is prioritizing urgent polar melting data. This resumption is seen as a rare diplomatic breakthrough, ensuring that critical environmental protection continues despite the complex global geopolitical landscape. The United Kingdom has officially signed the treaty to join the CPTPP, its most significant trade agreement since leaving the EU. This deal grants British businesses unprecedented access to 11 thriving Indo-Pacific economies. By joining this bloc, the UK solidifies its Indo-Pacific tilt, opening doors for duty-free exports and boosting long-term economic growth. New data marks 2 years since the inauguration of India's longest sea bridge, the Atal Setu. The link has slashed travel time between Mumbai and Navi Mumbai by 75%, handling over 70,000 vehicles daily. This infrastructure marvel has triggered a 30% surge in Navi Mumbai real estate and significantly accelerated logistics for the upcoming international airport. The European Parliament has given final approval to the EU AI Act, the world's first comprehensive set of rules for artificial intelligence. The law strictly bans high-risk AI practices, including non-consensual deepfakes and biometric surveillance. This historic legislation sets a global gold standard for tech safety, forcing companies to ensure transparency in their algorithms.